to AccountKit Workflow. In this session we're going to talk about views. So when you come into Workflow for the first time, you'll have two system views that will be the default. You'll have your all and you'll have your templates. So all tasks is, as the name suggests, for all tasks. Templates is where you house all your templates for your recurring and tasks that you may use on a regular basis. So they'll all be housed here. So I've gone ahead and made a few other views. So I've made a view for myself, as you can see here. This one's set up in the card wall view. So this is a more illustrative view with bigger kind of boxes here, kind of the Kanban style. So you can see also that it runs off the page, so you can use your arrow keys to move around to make sure you have more access to your tasks. Or with the Kanban view, so the card wall, you can then click the wrap view. And what that does is that compiles all the tasks so it doesn't carry over the pane off to the right here, and then moves the tasks down below. So further to that, I'll show you how the group by works. So this is grouped by the status of each task. So we can see here this group by function of the three lines. So we've got it grouped by status. Say I wanted to group by type to see what kind of types of tasks I have on at the moment. So you can see here I've got all the different types of tasks that I have going on. Have some tax and compliance, business activity statements. So I want to go priority. So this is where you use the flag system. So basically we have tasks that are critical, urgent, high. You can assign by status, which we talked about before, and then assigned user. And because this is a flow for all my tasks, these all appear under me. So say we wanted to go ahead and add our own view. So from here we can go add view. So we want to add one from blank and want to make one for our team. So team. So up here, when you add a new view or you're editing an existing view, you can set to favorite, which then puts it across the top here. You can hit the lock button, which locks the view down. But say we don't want to do that yet, we want to keep it in list as well. We want to share this with other users so the rest of our team can access it. Want to autosave, so any changes that are made as you use the view will be saved. And then we don't need to use the show completed tasks or show empty groups, because these are more for finding tasks that have already been completed that have fallen off the list, or finding empty groups where someone has not populated. So if we want to hit create. So now we've got the team view up here, but as you can see this has everyone and all the tasks in it because we haven't applied any filters. So if we come over here to the filter by function, we want to then allocate the assigned users within our team. So myself, Keithy and Paul. Want to hit apply. So what that'll do is that'll bring all the tasks for us three in there. And to make this more relevant in terms of a view for who's been assigned, we can then sort by user. So this is in the list view, so it lists us further down. So we've got myself, Keithy and Paul, and we've each got 17 tasks each. So say I just wanted to view what I have, I can just click down there and then we can go from there. Let's say I only wanted to view what tasks I had on, I can click me and that'll just sort by me only within this view. So say we want to change back, this is everyone, and then we actually want to go back and then reassign myself, Paul and Keithy. Say you wanted to add a view or take away a view from your list up top here. So this is the tabs bar where you favorite your views. So say we wanted to favorite a view here for the work for the next 7 days. We can see here that the little people here means the view's shared. You can then edit or delete the views from here. Say we've got my work favorited. Say every time we wanted to come in where the home button is, if we tick that, that means every time we come into Workflow, anything that's marked with the home bar will be the default view that we go to. And then from there, you can rearrange where you want the views in the list, just to make sure that everything's nice and orderly. And if you want to untick something from the tabs here, you can just untick the star. So that's views for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the team. Otherwise, stay tuned for one of our next sessions around Workflow.